In the post-AI era, you keep hearing people getting multi-million-dollar offers and startups hitting billion-dollar evaluations in a short time. You see the frameworks, you see the off-the-shelf AI models, and you think, I can just grab one of these and build something amazing, right? If you have tried, you have probably hit a wall. Your AI model is either too generic, too expensive, or too slow. It feels like you're forced to choose between a model that's smart, one that's fast, or one that's current. You've probably already heard the terms fine-tuning, distillation, RAG, and prompt engineering. But what are they, and when should you use them? What if the real power is not in any single method, but in a pipeline that connects them all? In this video, we'll break down the ultimate AI workflow. This is the blueprint that separates AI toys from production-grade solutions, which actually make money. Let's get right to it. Let's start at the beginning. You have a powerful base model like Llama or a GPT variant. Think of it as a brilliant college grad with a degree in everything. Massive general knowledge but no specialized skills for the job you need. This is where fine-tuning comes in. Fine-tuning is like sending that grad to a specialized master's program. You take that pre-trained model and continue training it on a smaller, highly specific data set. You're not teaching it brand new facts. You're reshaping its thinking to make it an expert in one domain. Need an AI that writes bulletproof legal documents? Fine-tune it on legal texts. Want it to code in your company style? Fine-tune it on your code base. The result is a model that has learned the style, nuance, and structure of your domain. Its entire personality is modeled for the task. The quality of its output becomes incredibly high because it now speaks the native language of your business. But all that power is expensive. Fine-tuning creates a computational beast. Think of it like a Formula 1 race car, an absolute marvel of specialized engineering, but it's too costly and impractical for a daily commute. So you have this incredible smart model, but it's too impractical for daily use. How do you use this expert without going broke? That's where our second step, distillation, saves the day. This is the most overlooked step for building AI products that can actually scale. If fine-tuning created our expert teacher model, distillation creates a lean student model that learns from it. The goal is to compress the genius of that huge fine-tuned model into a much smaller, faster one. It works like this. You have your genius teacher model write the ultimate textbook on its subject, creating a perfect data set of questions and answers. Then you have a smaller student model study that textbook. The student learns to mimic the teacher's reasoning and conclusions, effectively distilling its core intelligence into a much smaller package. The result is a model that's a fraction of the size, often 80% smaller or more, while retaining most of the original's expert performance. This is a game changer. A smaller model means lower latency, lower cost, and the ability to run on cheaper hardware or even a phone. There is a small trade-off in quality, but it often hits this perfect spot between performance and efficiency. So now we have a lean, specialized machine. It's fast and cheap, but there's a new problem. The world doesn't stand still. Your model is a snapshot in time. How does it answer a question about something that happened 5 minutes ago? This is the exact problem Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG was built to solve. If your distilled model is a trained specialist, RAG is its live wire connection to the outside world. Think of your model as a brilliant, highly trained doctor. RAG is like giving the doctor a tablet with instant access to a patient's latest health record. RAG connects your model to an external knowledge source, like your company's latest documents. When a user asks a question, the RAG system first retrieves the most relevant, up-to-date info from the source. Second, it augments the user's prompt with this fresh data, essentially telling the model, here's the question and here are the latest facts you need to answer it. This solves the stale model problem. Your AI's core intelligence is specialized and efficient, but its answers are now grounded in real-time information. What this means is that your model will never hallucinate. It is instructed to base its answers on documents you just handed it. It gives you answers that are current and verifiable. By the way, if you're getting value from this breakdown, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We have a custom, efficient, and knowledge-aware model. We are done, right? Not really. The final layer of this workflow is prompt engineering. Most people see prompting as a starting point. In this workflow, it's the ultimate control layer. If a model is a world-class orchestra, the prompt is the conductor. It doesn't just tell them to play music. It sets the tempo, defines the dynamics, and directs the emotional tone, ensuring the final output is a masterpiece. A well-crafted prompt does more than just ask a question. It sets the scene, defines the output format, and tells the model exactly how to use the information the RAG system provided. It's about giving precise commands to your highly specialized AI. If you're interested in learning more about prompt engineering, check out my dedicated video on it. I'll leave the link in the description. Let's tie it all together. These 4 techniques aren't competitors. They are sequential stages in a powerful pipeline. Imagine building a chatbot for customer support. Step 1. Fine-tuning. We fine-tune a base model on our past support tickets. It's now a PhD level expert understanding our company's jargon, common problems, and specific tone. Step 2. Distillation. That expert model is our Formula 1 car, too big and expensive for every customer query. We distill its knowledge into a much smaller student model. This is our quick-witted apprentice, fast, cheap to run, and armed with the master's wisdom. Step 3. RAG. Our software is updated weekly. We give our apprentice a live feed to the library of new release notes using a RAG framework connected to a vector database. When a user asks about a new feature, our system instantly pulls the fresh documents for them to read. Step 4. Prompt engineering. A user asks about a question, we act as a conductor. Our system builds a master prompt combining the user's query, the fresh RAG context, and system instruction. The result? An AI that responds instantly with a deep understanding of our product, using information that's accurate to the second and communicating the exact tone we demand. You get the best of all the worlds. The customization of fine-tuning, the efficiency of distillation, the timelessness of RAG, and the control of prompts. You no longer have to choose between a smart model, a fast model, or an up-to-date model. By combining these 4 techniques in this exact order, you stop just using AI and start architecting intelligent systems. This is the blueprint for building next-gen AI applications that are powerful, practical, and scalable. If you have liked this video, like and comment on it. And if you need more help in demystifying AI, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.